had anything today, but I did some work. We had breakfast. We're at the library. We're about to go in. We just had a little bit of drama. There was a dog running around the neighborhood, but he went back to his backyard and all is good.
Bye, bye, everyone. Oh, bye, 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 everybody. Bye, bye, everybody. It's time to say goodbye. Yay! All right, everybody, we'll see you next time.
Baby blue jays. Two little boys and a little girl. Daddy is off in a tree over there. He keeps flying by. They're so cute. Hi everyone. We have finished our Monday. I'm gonna try and get Sebastian to sleep. He needs it so badly because he only napped about 30 minutes. He fell asleep without nursing. Normally he nurses to sleep, but he fell asleep like as soon as he laid down and then woke up after 30 minutes instead of 2 hours, and he did nurse, but he was wide awake. He would not go back to sleep, so I knew he was going to be a disaster, especially because he had a runny nose yesterday, just a tiny little bit, so I feel like he's fighting something. And wow, he got so cranky so fast, so I need to get him to sleep. Hopefully he'll sleep really well. We've got an early class tomorrow, his big showcase for the end of the year. And let's see. Oh, those little birdies you saw. I knew we had a nest somewhere in our backyard, the way some blue jays have been acting. I thought maybe some robins too, but definitely the blue jays. And now there's fledglings over on our rail to our basement steps. I was thinking under the bush. Hold on, I need to help Sebastian. Okay, so apparently he was saying ow ow, but he needed a shower. He was not hurt. I don't know, he's crazy. But yeah, there's 3 adorable fledglings. It looks like 2 boys and a girl based on how their feathers are coming in. The parents have been taking turns watching them from a tree. I thought they weren't doing anything, but then right as I was washing up to come up here, I saw the mom swoop down, land beside one, and feed him into his mouth. So that was so cute. They're so cute. I have a feeling we won't really be seeing them again because they're probably about to leave the nest, but yeah, so cute. Let's see. I don't know what else. I got invoices done. I did a tiny little bit of work that came through. I finished most of the food cards, I think, for Sebastian's party, so I can get that printed. I just have to think if there's anything else I want printed. And then the fail to nap. I did keep him up here for a while trying to get him to rest in bed, but he wouldn't even stay in bed after a certain point, so I had to give up. And I cooked dinner, one of our sun baskets, because we have all vegetarian meals this time. I guess vegan. Yeah, they're vegan. And he really needs me. He doesn't like me even being out of the room. So I'm going to say goodnight. Good night, everybody, and thanks for watching. Thanks for the 81 followers. Woohoo! Big time. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.